Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD sluggish below 0.7300, shrugs off upbeat China trade numbers http ntvforex.com news ID 25 AC 91 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD remains directionless even as China's August month trade numbers mark a surge in the exports, trade balance. A light calendar elsewhere, Sino-American tension and the US off restrict market moves in Asia. Calls of RBA's action increase following the first recession in almost 30 years. AUD USD seesaws around 0.728085 during the early Monday AS trading. The Aussie pair stays modestly changed although China's August month trade numbers came out better than forecast. The reason could be traced from risk reset and a light calendar in Asia, not to forget the US holiday. Surge in exports widens China's trade balance despite China's economic and political tussle with the US, India and Australia. The Dragon National's trade numbers managed to defy any disappointment. The latest readings in terms of onshore yuan CNY suggest that the trade balance came in at 416.59 billion Chinese yuan versus 196.21 billion Chinese yuan expected and 442.23 billion Chinese yuan last. Further details suggest, exports came in at 11.6% versus 2.1% expected and 10.4% last, while imports arrived at 0.5% versus 0.7% expected and 1.6% prior. Read more. NBSP China's AUD trade balance CNY surplus beats with 416.59 billion Chinese yuan as exports jump. On the contrary, the US-China tension joins a light calendar day to weigh on the quote. Recently, China warned the Trump administration after American blacklisted Beijing SMIC. Additionally, fears of hard Brexit and the US dollar strength are other catalysts that restrict the Aussie pair's latest moves. Against this backdrop, S&P 500 futures and Japanese Nikkei 225 drop around 0.15% by the press time, while Australia's ASX 200 clings to the DAS open of 5,925 as we write. Looking forward, the Labor Day holiday in the US will restrict the market's moves, but odds of American stimulus have gained after Friday's upbeat 3 employment numbers, which in turn can weigh on the quote. Also, Australia's downbeat GDP has pushed several key banks, as well as economists, to call out RBA's rate cut. While identifying the same, Bloomberg recently said, Australia's central bank will boost its bond buying program or cut interest rates to help revive the economy from its NBSP first recession NBSP in almost 30 years. A survey showed a technical analysis in less breaking an ascending trend line from late July, around 0.7210, buyers can keep 0.7300 and 0.7340 on their radars. Additional important levels overview: today last price 0.7284, today daily change 2 pips, today daily change percent 0.03%, today daily open 0.7282, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7231, daily SMA 50 0.7121, daily SMA 100 0.6887, daily SMA 200 0.6746, NBSP levels previous daily high 0.7299, previous daily low 0.7222, previous weekly high 0.7416, previous weekly low 0.7222, previous monthly high 0.7416, previous monthly low 0.7076, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.7269, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.7251, daily pivot point S1 0.7236, daily pivot point S2 0.719, daily pivot point S3 0.7159, daily pivot point R1 0.7314, daily pivot point R2 0.7345, daily pivot point R3 0.7391, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.